Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below and that little notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. So this video is an update for the Bing Ads case study video that I posted a while ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the video link in the description and in one of them cards up there. So you can pause this video and go and watch the original Bing Ads direct linking case study. It's around an hour long and I take you through A to Z how to set up a Bing Ads campaign. I got a lot of good feedback with that video. A lot of people were messaging me saying thank you for that case study, and I just want to say to everyone, you are welcome. I know when I first started out and I found my first YouTuber that was legit and actually gave away really good advice online for free, I was so grateful for that person. And if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be where I am today. So, yep, if you haven't seen the original video, you can click up there or in the link in the description and go watch that and then come back. So this video is pretty much an update on where I'm at now with this Bing Ads direct linking case study. So as you recall, we created the case study on April 9th, 2019, and now it is April 14th, 2019. So I just want to log into my MaxBounty account and show you guys what has been going on. So I will click log in. This is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Where are we at now, huh? Ooh, the suspense is killing me. Log in. Boom. So today we made another sale. Yesterday was our biggest day of $240. And throughout the past 5 days, we've brought in $640 for this one offer that I walked you through setting it up on Bing Ads step by step. Very exciting stuff, guys. So let's click on in here and I'll kind of show you the overview of how the case study went. So Tuesday, April 9th is when we created the Bing Ads campaign together in the previous video. And the campaign got approved at like 9 at night and we ended up spending like $30 that day. And then into Wednesday, the day after, the first full day that it was running, we spent our whole budget within 6 hours because our bid was really high. So I woke up and I checked my phone and we literally spent our whole budget and we made 2 conversions that day. So we actually made like $60. And then Wednesday night was when I made adjustments to the campaigns and I recorded the whole thing for my advanced Bing Ads training members. So we took the original 3 ad groups that I had created with you and I turned them into 30, split testing the 2 main things, gender and age. So that was very important. And then that Wednesday night when I made all the adjustments, Bing Ads had to do another check to see if everything was compliant. And because I had 30 ad groups instead of 3 ad groups, the new ad groups didn't get approved until Thursday at like 4 or 5 p.m. And then once they all did get approved, we spent our whole entire budget within 4 hours in the afternoon. And that was over $100, but we didn't make any sales. And that's where a lot of people will just give up. If they spend $100 and don't make sales, they're like, oh, nope, I'm done. But you cannot think like that, especially when you're using Bing Ads. You have to split test everything. You have to have the initial 5 to 7 days on just spending money to collect that valuable data. That data is just gold. I can't explain it enough. You have to spend money to see what's working and then focus on it. I'm very repetitive about that because I just want to get that in your guys' heads. Spend money, get the data, focus on it. So then after Thursday, when we spent our whole budget within 5 hours without a sale, I ended up deciding to lower the bids, and that proved good because our top position with our dollar plus bid was, or our average position was at a 1 on Bing Ads. And the way I saw it, I was like, I'm spending all this money within just short hours, like 4 to 6 hours, and then I'm out of budget. Maybe if I could lower my bid and get steady clicks throughout the day, take a little bump in the average position, it might prove better. And then Friday proved that point that was better. I was getting clicks at half the price as I was on Wednesday and Thursday, and I was getting them steady throughout the day, and that was really big. And then Saturday, yesterday, was our biggest day of $240. So that was cool. I'll show you the Click Magic stats from yesterday. So yesterday was April 13th, and look at all the clicks we got yesterday. We got 318 clicks. Well, unique clicks. Total clicks was 352, and look at all this data. See, this is on Wednesday night when we created the 30 ad groups. I also showed you how I'd like to organize them. And it's having a letter at the front, and then the ad group, and then the gender and the age group. And this is the best way to have everything organized, because then I use Excel, and pasting in all the statistics for the ad groups is so easy in Excel, and that's like the main reason why I am able to be successful with Bing Ads is the organization skills. And one quick thing to look at right here. So April 9th, the first night it got approved was 43 clicks. I was a little off. And then look at the steady increase in clicks. That's just crazy. It's like a little mountain right here. Very cool stuff. I'll show you inside of my Bing Ads campaign. I don't got the tab open. So here are the stats from yesterday. As you can see in the mornings, pretty low clicks. And then as soon as the morning comes, slowly increase. And then at the later end of the day, we get that big bump right here. Steady amounts of clicks. Look at that, 339 clicks, and we only spent $100. So the stats are pretty close right here, 339 and 352, and that was just for yesterday. Like, there's so much search traffic for people that have ringing in their ears. I had no idea that there's so many people that suffered with this problem. But that's what makes it so profitable, because the more search volume, the lower you can get for your cost per clicks. So that's pretty cool. I'll go for the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, we've got 8 sales with a total profit of $640. As you can see, the MaxBounty stats are matching up. We're tracking everything properly. 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, and then 1 today so far. So everything's getting tracked properly, and that is such a huge thing, is to get your tracking and the pull-spec URL set up. So that's that. Pretty exciting stuff. I will exit out of these. And now I want to show you an inside look of what I went through during this 5-day Bing Ads direct linking case study. So you guys saw the free direct linking case study of day 0 and day 1, and day 1 is where we got the 2 sales. And because I have my advanced training members, obviously I'm going to provide more value for them because they paid for it. This is just a little inside look on what we covered. So day 1 part 2, and this is the video where I take the 3 original ad groups and turn them into 30. And the main thing that we're testing here with the 30 ad groups is age and gender, because we're already tracking device, keyword, query string, ad ID, and network with our Click Magic tracking link. And then creating and tracking site links, so important. Day 2, when we created the 30 ad groups in day 1, it takes a long time for those ad groups to get approved. I think it took like a full day almost. But once they did get them approved, the clicks came rushing back in. And then we also look at adding negative keywords so we don't bid on brand bids or have our ad show for brand related bids or keywords. Day 2, part 2, we spent our $120 budget within 4 hours with no sales. It's important because you're going to have days where you spend a lot with no sales. This is typical. Day 3, decreased the bid amount. I went over that, and we took a minor little bump in our average position, but it allowed us to get clicks at half the price, so I was super good with that. We took a look at on our ad extensions, how they're doing. They're getting a good click-through rate. And then I go into the Excel template, my custom Excel template that I use personally for all my Bing Ads data. And Excel has so many easy formulas to use that can make diving into your data a breeze. And that's the biggest part. I'd say setting up your Bing Ads campaign is only half the battle, but it's what you do with the data that really sets you apart from other affiliates. Direct linking case study day 4. Great news. We're starting to see steady clicks at a lower cost per click. The day before today, or the day before April 13th, we ended up getting 259 clicks at just 31 cents per click. So that's crazy low. Then I start showing you what to do with the winning query strings. Day 5, this was the end of the case study. We cover data diving again, and we also look at the country spend and the device spend. For example, the United Kingdom, we spent $90 on UK traffic, so we deleted that from our settings. And we also found out that tablets are our highest converting device. By the time I made this video today, we had 7, but then I got a sale before I'm making this video, so that's why I said 7 instead of 8. Then I just talk about how important it is for the ad groups and the gender, testing the age. We found out so much throughout these 5 days of direct linking to this offer. And another thing I cover in this video is what to do with your ads. So go to your ad groups, see which ads are performing, and we have the ad IDs in the tracking link, so keeping track of which ads are actually resulting in the sale, getting ideas from those ads and optimizing new ads based on the ads that are working, and then deleting out the ones that aren't working. So that's what's included when you purchase my Bing Ads training course, my advanced training course. This is just a direct linking case study part. This is one little tab right here. That is all included in one tab, but look at all this other stuff that you'll get when you sign up. So there's so much value in this training course, and I really hope you take advantage of the $100 discount and get in on this advanced training while the discount lasts. But that is it for this video. If you have any questions, comment below. If you haven't seen the first case study video, remember we have a link in the card above or in the description below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, if you're not subscribed, wake up, come on. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and the little notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And that is it for this one, and I hope to see you inside my advanced training course. Peace.
It ain't my fault.